Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Mystic Elements. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. Back out here at the property today. About to do a little bit of work. Got my boy Tay with me out here today. This was my missing in action last video.
What's up,
but
guys?
We got him out here ready to put it down. Just want to remind you, if you like what you see, like and subscribe. Mystic Elements. We're just out here trying to put it down. Another weekend, you know, having fun. Today, we're probably going to be working on this shed thing over here. Old Mr. Rusty Daddy. Going there, probably clean this thing out. As you remember last time, we kind of cleaned out the inside of the mobile and all that good stuff. We're definitely going to check things out in here, get busy in here,
get some work done.
See what we got, get some work done up in here, as this young man said. We go get some work done. Stick around. Just go do another quick stroll around here real quick. Just happy to be out here. Another wonderful day, sun shining, beautiful trees, birds, and everything else you could think of, from rodents to rabbits. It's another beautiful day. But
over here.
we're just taking a stroll. Checked out things already this morning. We're kind of getting a late start today, but again, every little bit counts, and we're just out to have fun, plan ourselves, and do what we got to do. Just a quick little look around real quick. We ain't gonna waste a lot of time. We kind of want to get busy. It's kind of more towards later in the afternoon. But again, thank you for tuning in, checking us out. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this shed over here. I see my boy is always finding something he likes to work on, taking his tour. As a matter of fact, we go take a small tour real quick. Let's see. All right. So here we go. Let's see what we got going on out here today on the homestead. Got my boy over here checking out things, making sure the property's secure, looking at things over here, the gate.
Did you know
Got a dog run over
got
here.
a metal cart right here?
Did not know. I haven't seen. There's a lot of things I don't know about that's out here yet.
I just randomly peeped it right now. That was interesting.
Every time we come out here, we find something new. So yeah, so this is gonna probably be the dog run. Nice long dog run. You know, we'll clean it up probably one of the times we come out, probably next time or so. We may get over here around this rabbit hutch and chicken coop.
Right here.
And what kind of trap?
I don't know.
Oh, that's a rodent trap or something, man. You'll probably catch your little one of them kangaroo or shoot, squirrel or something. We don't want to catch the squirrels. But yeah, man, I mean, you know, again, we're just out here to enjoy life and see what it do. That's a long dog run over there, man. I like that. I haven't been back there either, so
Yeah, me neither.
at some point, once we secure this gate, we'll come out here and put the privacy fencing up. But you know, one step at a time, big man. Let's go over here and to the shed. Let's go knock that out today.
Sounds good.
Get that done. Let the YouTube family chime on in and see what's going on out there. It is just so beautiful out here, man. All these different trails and stuff. See, I didn't take y'all on the trails back there last time. I took y'all the other trail last time. So this time we're on the trail. Then show y'all the outside of our property, around it.
One of the boulder trails.
But it's like, and this is why we named our channel and our property Mystic Elements. If you look around, you see all these big, beautiful boulders out here.
Yes.
More boulders than you can imagine. There's boulders everywhere you go.
Everywhere.
I mean, everywhere. But we want to do something with these boulders at some point. Retainer walls, something. So y'all stick around and see what we got. Look at these big old beautiful boulders, and just imagine they've been underwater. At one point, all this was underwater. All these big boulders and stuff, man. Just think about it. All these big boulders. This big old hole. They dug out this hole. I want to say it was probably for a septic tank or something, but I don't see the line. It should have been a line going to it if it was.
I was gonna say the barrier starts here, it goes in a square, but except for that.
And that's kind of perfect to put one of these totes in there.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm thinking. Maybe they did that. And I don't know why this looks like just a big supersized treadmill right here. This walking plank, whatever. This looks like a big old treadmill. Like they, like it's like, okay. Without any rolling wheels or anything. But man, there's boulders everywhere. Everywhere. Boulders from here, boulders from there. But again, that's what encouraged us to name our property after coming out here and touching ground on the property and seeing what's out here and what it's about and just getting in tune with what's out here. We decided to go with Mystic Elements. And that falls under many, many things. But again, thank y'all for tuning in. We really appreciate you. You know, today is Friday. You know, had to take one of those vacation days at work so I can come out here and get grounded. You know, all the stress and all the crazy stuff. Just wanted to get away for a minute. But we're coming back up on different parts of the property over there. I'm going to work my way back to the shed up there, and we're going to get busy doing some cleaning today. We'll probably do a little tree trimming tomorrow, cutting tomorrow, probably head out to the dump tomorrow, take care of a few things. What'd be nice, Tay, if we had bigger bricks like that.
Yeah.
Everybody, we just purchased a 40-foot container. It's going to be delivered. Not to this property right now. I'm going to have it delivered to a family member's property around the corner.
75 those?
And, you know, we'll be able to load up a few things in there until we get ready to move out here full time. So, again, I'm not going to bore you too much. We're going to have y'all stick around for a little bit while we work on this shed over here. Again, we're just going to clear it out, kind of sweep it out. As you can see, a lot of rodent feces, probably rabbit feces, and all kind of trash and junk that the last tenants left behind, or the last owners, all kind of supplies. And we're going to use these supplies. You can believe that. So anyway, everybody, we're going to get busy. Thank you again for checking us out. All right, everybody. We're about to get started on this shed over here. Tay and I about to knock some stuff out. You guys stick around. We probably won't be doing much talking or anything. Probably won't be doing much talk or anything, but we are going to be super busy out here. So stick around. Check us out. Thank you.
First thing I'm going to take up out of this shed are these bags of, what is it? Sulfate of potash. We got a few bags of these. Pretty heavy, but ain't nothing that could stop us. These little baby bags of potash is 50 pounds each.
Wow. I wonder what that stuff is used for. What is solution grade sulfate potash? Diamond gypsum. I wonder what that stuff is used for, but I guess we'll find out once the building is figured out.
Soluble potash and sulfur.
Man. Sheesh. Here. Easy for you to take a look at me stepping down.
They heavy.
Dang, what they say, lift with your knees? Sheesh. That stuff is heavy. You said 50 pounds?
Yeah.
More like 75. I'm gonna stick the wood over it for now. That wood is going to end up going in that other shed with the wood stuff. Yeah.
Now, all the wood or just the firewood?
No, just the firewood. Actually, this one like this, I'm just put it back on that big old pile over there.
Yeah.
Now that type of stuff, we're probably just gonna bring out, leave to the side, but I want to stack like all that stuff is stacked. We ain't gotta bring all that out. And we maybe use this shelf here.
I was about to say.
We'll figure it out once we So for now, I wouldn't touch nothing that's beyond that shelf.
Alright.
Everything that's here, we're gonna clear out, sweep out, whatever. And then we'll figure out what's going on with this big shelf. Looked like they had some type of power. I see that little power connector thing there. So they must have had a plug or generator.
You got like 3 little babies.
And then they cut the wire over here so they can't use it. You say what? Got a splinter already?
Yeah, like 3 of them.
I say if we had any more than this, we would have just went and got the cart, utility cart. But this is probably off of the firewood, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I already put all the firewood in the other shed last time. Got a picture frame up in here. They left us a free shower hose head. Aren't they some saints?
Might work. Let's bring this trash can a little closer. This will keep these spikes.
Hey, we do got some more glass in here, so just be careful.
We can throw that here. When we go to the dump, I'll probably leave everything that's in the trash can. So when we go to the dump,
Just dump it.
just dump the trash can. Yeah, be careful with that. You know, nobody's gonna slice it. Leave it all that other broken glass in there. Too far from a hospital. And I
won't come out.
the boy is out of commission. Got a splinter. Put that thing in close real quick.
Dropping everything
You
in.
know, every little penny counts. You know, recyclables. You know, every little penny counts.
Got that thing.
Ain't no shame in my life. I always had a cat. Used to get a little cat down there at one point.
Well, we're gonna get some anyhow, so.
We do plan on getting us some cats out here once we move out. Probably get us about a good 5, 6, 7 cats. You know, there's a lot of property for these cats to run around, so we might get about 5 or 6 cats or something. You know, 3 would be good, but if that's firewood, you can just throw it over here. I'll take it up in a minute. Nice little firewood. When that lady text, I hope I can hear her since I'm recording. Didn't think about that.
That's why I said if you want, you can use my phone as a mic.
As a video or just the mic?